right, who do we have here?
Ashley.
And?
Brandon.
What are we doing?
Skydiving.
Trying this again, huh?
Yeah, part 2.
So, whose idea was this? Your fault if this goes wrong. Last words, final comments, confessions, in case we don't make it.
Nothing.
Anything for you?
He signed a waiver.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock this skydive, have some fun. High five. High five. Here we go. Here we go, guys. You ready for this? Get in, get up, get out of the thing, go rock this skydive, have some fun. What do you think of this?
5 out of 5.
Pull this one down over the camera. Smile.
Ooh, I don't like
Just a nice
that.
turn, relax. Hands up. Come on. There they are, right there.
That's my
There's
hubby.
Mike over there.
You mean to tell me I gotta have muscles for this?
There you go. Perfect. Hands up. Relax.
It's like I'm flying.
What do you think?
6 out of 5.
You did great. You had fun, huh?
Yeah, I did.
How'd you like the flip?
I did. That one honestly wasn't that bad.
No?
I did close my eyes. I did kind of cheat.
We'll see it on the video. Good skydive. High five. Come back to see us again. Skydive Colorado Springs.